searched the internet and I found the cheapest dash cam on the internet. Double dash. The camera itself has a couple of buttons at the bottom. Slot for this card. Microphone, recording, notification, and front button, and I guess it's a jack on the top. Let me turn it on. Well, just turn it. There you go. Nice Aston Martin. And I can see we can... Oh, we don't have a card with me. Anyway, we can switch between the cameras. See? Half a screen. And that's super cool. Yes, the window is clean. That's the quality. A little fractions on the top. And 4x3, it takes 16:9. I'm going to upload the original file. So, yeah. This is how it looks like. Can we see the license plate? Kinda. Yeah, when we're close to the vehicle, then yes. And at night, you won't be able to see the license plate, but you still see vehicles and a lot of reflections. What can I say? A retro quality, VHS quality. So, yeah, a link in the description if you wanted to.